there's no doubt about it. I like you, there's no doubt about it. I like you, there's no doubt about it. You are my good friend. Hello, children. How are you all? I hope you're doing good. Today we are here to listen a story of a Gruffalo. You know where does the Gruffalo lives? The Gruffalo lives in the jungle. Have you ever seen a Gruffalo? No? I will tell you how does the Gruffalo looks. Gruffalo has big nails, big teeth, two horns on his face. Gruffalo has a pointed nose and purple prickles on his back. Gruffalo is very dangerous. So, my dear kids, are you ready to see the Gruffalo? Are you ready? Ready? Okay, let's see the Gruffalo. Come on. Hi, this is a Gruffalo. Can you see the long nails? The long nails of Gruffalo. Big teeth. So. And the pointed nosy. The two horns on his head. And these are the purple prickles on his back. Can you see how dangerous the Gruffalo looks? Are you ready for the story? Let us start. Let's start the story. The fox saw the Gruffalo. Oh no! Oh hell! Oh somebody help me! The fox is afraid of the pointed nails, the claws of Gruffalo. The terrible claws of Gruffalo. The fox is afraid of the terrible claws of Gruffalo. Oh, help! Somebody help me! Oh, help! The fox is afraid of terrible claws of Gruffalo, which are having pointed nails. And the fox run away. But children, are you afraid of the claws? No. Let us touch and see. Let us touch and see. It does nothing. This is so soft. But why did the fox run away from me? Gruffalo is sad. Now, next, children, let us see who did the Gruffalo met next in the jungle. Next comes the owl. The owl saw the Gruffalo. And the owl was afraid of his pointed nose. The owl thought that the nose was poisonous. Oh my God. And the owl ran away from Gruffalo because owl was afraid of his pointed nose. Children, are you afraid of his pointed nose? No. Let us see. Oh, it does nothing. It does nothing. Then why is owl afraid of Gruffalo? Again, Gruffalo is sad. Let us see who Gruffalo met next. Oh, snake. Psst. Gruffalo met next snake, and the snake was afraid of the purple prickles. The purple prickles on the body of Gruffalo. Oh, the snake ran away. Children, does this purple prickles did anything? No, we can touch and see them. They do nothing. Then why is a snake afraid of Gruffalo? Again, the snake ran away from Gruffalo because the snake was afraid of Gruffalo. Why is everybody afraid of Gruffalo? Gruffalo is so nice. Next, let us see who did the Gruffalo met in the jungle. Who is this? A mouse. A mouse. Oh, but do you know what? The Gruffalo is afraid of mouse. Oh, ah, I'm afraid of this mouse. Somebody help me. This mouse will eat me. Oh, do you know that everybody was afraid of the Gruffalo, but Gruffalo is afraid of this tiny creature, mouse. And the Gruffalo ran away because Gruffalo was afraid of mouse. Somebody help me. I'm afraid of mouse. Mouse will eat me. Somebody help me. But mouse did nothing. Now, next let us see what happens. So, children, tell me, are you afraid of Gruffalo? Are you afraid of Gruffalo? Are you? No, we are not afraid of Gruffalo because Gruffalo is very nice. Say hi, Gruffalo. Hi. Hello, everybody. Hello, hello. See, Gruffalo is so nice. Gruffalo does nothing. And Gruffalo's teeth are not poisonous. Gruffalo nose is not pointed. Gruffalo claws are also not terrible. No, neither the purple prickles. The Gruffalo is so sweet. He is a very sweet guy. Say bye. So, childrens, what is the moral of the story? What do we learn from the Gruffalo story? We learn that we should never judge a person from his appearance. Gruffalo has pointed claws, terrible claws. He had terrible claws. He had pointed teeth. He has poisonous nose, horns, purple prickles. But Gruffalo does nothing. He was very sweet to all. Yes? So, children, we should never judge a person from his appearance. Okay? Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day. I hope you enjoyed my story. We will meet for the next story. Till then, Gruffalo say bye, 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 everybody, bye.